Alright, it's day one of Adams and we're not at the racetrack. So we're gonna do a little tour of the Airbnb with Ryan, because Kevin's working on his car. So let's see what we got. It's a fridge. It's got a screen on it. There's even a camera that'll show you what's in the fridge, and it plays music videos, which is wild. I don't know why we need this, but I guess the year's 2023. So yeah, this is just a regular old house. I'll show you my room. This is where I'm sleeping. I knew I was gonna film this, so I made the bed. You can see it's a little girl's room, so good for me. I got my media vest there on the wall. Looks like I do road work. This is Cam's room. Cam didn't know I was gonna film this, but he made his bed anyway, which is great. Probably because Cam's either served in the military or went to prison, one or the other. I don't know, but that's why you make your bed. Here we are in Kevin's room. As you can see, it's a...
What a mess.
No, it's actually the garage, which suits Kevin perfectly. For all the illegal gambling Kevin likes to do, I guess. Now for the big one. It's Christian. He's got some going on over here. This is what Drift Week's really all about. Hey, look, we're not even at a track. We're on Drift Week and we're in some stranger's garage.
That is like, looks like some weird creep dungeon with some like weird ass shit on the wall, like inspirational stuff.
It says, doesn't come from what you do occasionally. That doesn't even make sense. It should start with success at the top.
No.
All right, cool. Okay, so that's that. So for those of you at home, right now Drift Week is spelled W-E-A-K because we're not even drifting. Anyway,
That's pretty spot on.
fun facts here about our pal. When you email Chase Bays for all your good parts, he's the one that's answering. He's the guy on the other line, so
That's
you know,
me.
That's him. It also explains, I guess it doesn't really explain it, but you have sponsorship from Chase Bay as well, right?
Yeah, they helped us put the car together. They gave us a bunch of incredible parts. I stand behind them fully. I had a lot of these parts on my E46 even before I started working for Chase Bays.
There you have it. Not only a customer, he's a member. Look at that.
Yep.
I'm doing a job interview right now. Love it. All right, let's go see my boy Kevin. Boy Kevin, he's outside doing the oil change he said he'd do yesterday, doing it out on the street. Any good mechanic knows that once you take the oil out of the engine, you got to put more in.
I also don't have a funnel, so I've cut the top, I cut the bottom of my...
I love it. Kevin always reinventing the wheel.
Reinventing the funnel. The top didn't fit in either, so I had to split it into 4 slits and wedge it in. So.
Good. All right. So Kevin's gonna finish this up. Cam's over here answering spam emails. We got another Ryan who's just wrenching. This makes up all the wrenching that I don't do.
It's a perfect trade-off.
Yeah. Maybe later on we'll switch. He'll hold the camera and I'll this engine up.
Oh yeah, I was like, if we just want to each side up, let's do it.
Let's see.
See the ugly side.
So here we go. We got a JZX90.
Pretty rad, just swapping wastegate springs. Having
Yeah.
an overboost situation, but should be good.
Now we're good. We're back at it. In case you didn't know, it's Drift Week. Like we've said 80 million times.
Drift Week!
And there you have it. Hey, you got some SERIALNINE parts on this thing or what?
I have your shift knob.
Well, it's not my shift knob.
Well,
but
your guys' shift knob.
I don't
do
even.
have that.
Cam, I don't even work there. They just let me hang out with them. No, I'm just walking in the shadow of giants is what I'm doing.
Hey guys, it's day 2 here at Adams Motorsports Complex. What's it called? Park. It's Park. Yeah. What? Yeah.
Adams Motorsports Park?
Yes.
AMP?
Yeah. I'm not gonna say that. Alien ant farm?
That's ant, isn't it? That's different. That's spelled different.
Hey guys, it's day 2 here at Adams Motorsports Park. It's our first day because we didn't make it out here due to the weather yesterday. So I'm really excited to get out there. I saw a bunch of videos of people losing complete rear suspension sets. So I'm gonna try to take it easy and not do that.
All right, good. Hey, Kevin.
Yeah.
How's your steering rack?
It's no better because it's the same rack because the rack didn't show up on Friday by the end of the day like it was guaranteed to. So we're hanging out here for another night so I can just basically try to get it when they deliver it tomorrow maybe?
Cool.
Hopefully.
All right, live your life. Idaho, last time we saw you, you didn't have your engine all together. How are we doing today?
So far so good. As far as the engine itself is concerned, we got the head on the car. We were able to get the car running, and it seems to run good mechanically in that department. Right now we have some electrical issues. Every time you turn on like the fan and stuff, the car just wants to shut off. So we're gonna put an alternator in it and see if that'll take care of the issue and go from there.
Sick. See you out there.
Thanks.
Let's get this guy another La Croix. This one. All right.
The wheel cracked. Blah, 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 blah.
Okay, good.
But do you honestly?
I don't know. You can just be like, I was out there tandeming with those two, and then like.
Oh yeah. So I was out there tandeming with Tommy Sewell and Jay Dean in their JZX 100s when I went off the inner curb a bit and broke my rim. Cracked the inner barrel. Womp womp. Yeah, so basically now I'm like, yo, I really want to finish this, like, for myself and for SERIALNINE. But I'm also like, it's been like, I don't even know how many days it's been at this point, like 12 really long, hard days, and they're like starting to add up, and where I'm just like, all right, well, let's just go home from here, you know?
Yeah.
And like save ourselves 5 extra days But yeah, and then also like the whole like the weather thing, like, you know, like it is not gonna be nice in Utah. Like yeah, you know.
Right.
But yeah.
And we got to stay here. We're not even driving with everyone tonight to Vegas.
Yeah, we're not driving with everyone tonight to Vegas because we had to like wait for the steering rack. Oh, that's another thing. The steering rack like feels like back to worse.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like real crunchy now. On the first session out there, I was like, ugh, and then I was like, hey, other Ryan, like it's right here, feel it. And he's like, oh wow, man, like. And then I'm like, yeah, I don't know. And then he's like, I might as well just go out and see how it feels. And I was like, yeah. And that's what I did. I went out and like it didn't feel great.
Right.
And then the wheel got cracked. So yeah. Also, we're like waiting on the steering rack that was supposed to be here Friday by the end of the day, but never showed up. So now it's Sunday, and obviously it hasn't showed up on the weekend. And now we're out of our Airbnb. Everybody's leaving for Vegas tonight, so we gotta like get a hotel near the Airbnb and stay there and wait for the notification of the package that it's on its way for delivery, and then go meet it and then put it in somewhere. I mean, the thing is, it's probably fine to just drive on the highway, but like doing another drift event, I don't know about that.
You could decide. They said there are spots in Utah to change it, like covered, like maybe even heated spots. They have like things there, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, all right.
So that's where we're at.
That is where we're at.
Big question mark.
Okay. Do you think you're gonna drive again today, or am I just gonna go film randos?
I'm not driving. No.
Oh, the randos get filmed. Okay.
Yeah.